Nakapanayam din po namin si Dr. Romeo Enriquez, Doctor of Psychiatry and Neurology sa Angeles Medical Center, upang sagutin ang ilang mga katanungan tungkol sa mga gifted children.
Gifted children are people who have outstanding performance in terms of either talent or intelligence compared to the general population. Okay, so yung mga iba sinasabi nila, yun yung mga genius kung sa intelligence yung ano nila. Pero yung mga extra talented, yun yung mga sa sports, arts, and all those things. So may mga genius na maliliit na bata na as early as maybe grade 6 level, ang thinking nila ay college na ang itsura. Kanya-kanyang perception kung anong ibig mong sabihin sa gifted. But it can be anything where you excel in one aspect of your life or another. Ako, personal opinion ko na lang. Of course, there are institutions that encourage yung tinatawag nila na multiple intelligence, yung mga ganyan, na i-encourage yung isang specific gift mo to excel. No problem with that. Okay. But the thing is, the objective of parents in raising their children, first and foremost, is to come out with a wholesome child. Whether gifted nga siya, matalino siya, genius siya, he will become a super physicist or whatever, or he will become an expert in medicine and all those things. Kailangan din ng balance ng work, recreation, social life, emotional life. Kasi for all you know, matalino yung bata, pero hindi naman niya mai-apply yung knowledge niya sa interpersonal relationship sa tunay na buhay. Matalino nga yung bata, hindi naman niya mai-apply sa actual tasks na dapat niyang gawin. May mga genius na sinasabing ganon, hanggang mag-iisip lang sila, pero pag sa tunay na buhay, wala silang accomplishments kasi hanggang doon lang sila. What parents should do for their gifted children is do them a favor. Giving the best things in life, emotional health, social health, recreational, so the child, aside from developing his gift, should enjoy childhood more than anything else. Bringing a 13-year-old to college, it's difficult for a child to cope. Number one. Number two, yung academic system natin sa Pilipinas is based on earned credits. Earning your credits, actually studying to learn what you're supposed to learn, includes knowledge only. Pero they forget that attitudes and skills can only be learned physically. By physically attending class for a prescribed amount of time. Certain people na sinasabi nilang gifted for intelligence, magaling silang, may photographic memory, they can memorize. Okay, but they may not have the skills to apply them. Yun yung kailangan natin sa tunay na college level. Decision for education of these children is on a case-to-case basis, and it will have to be based on the objective of the child and parents as to her future. Yung mukhang tendency niya toward science sa isang science-based school. If the level of quality in the Philippines is not enough, dalhin sa Amerika kung saan mas mataas para may kasabay siya na peers. Hindi yung nandun siya, nandun yung iba. Hindi ko personal na kilala yung Sierra Luna, but based on your description, here is a child with a very high IQ, okay? And at 13-year-old, the child should have a level of a college student, okay? And right now, she's a professional photographer. Ang question ko, being a professional photographer, do you think she failed Okay? Is it a failure from your own point of view na sa talino niya, professional photographer lamang siya? So, yun yung mga tanong eh. Ano ba ang perception ng society as far as success kung pinag-uusapan ng mga intelligent children? Does it mean you have to be a doctor? Does it mean you have to be an astronaut, physicist, or you have to be in Harvard? Okay? But the thing is, from the looks of it, kung professional photographer siya, and if she's happy with it, she's earning a life out of it, and she's excelling in it, then by all means, fate has been good to her.
Ngayong gabi po ay nakausap natin si Shaira Luna, isang tinuturing na batang genius at para sa akin, isang batang wagi. Hindi maiiwasan na maisip ng ilan sa atin na napaka-ironic na ang isang batang genius na tulad niya ay hindi man lamang nakatapos sa pag-aaral. Marami ang nagulat at pati na rin ako na malaman na naging photographer si Shaira at hindi scientist o doktor tulad ng inaasahan nating lahat. Ngunit ngayong gabi, napatunayan ni Shaira na hindi depende sa diploma ang pagiging edukado ng isang tao. Pinili ni Shaira na mabuhay at matuto mula sa mga tao sa paligid niya. Pinili niyang matuto sa experience, ika nga. Ang sabi nga ni Shaira, ang classroom niya ay ang buong mundo at para sa isang gifted child tulad niya, education is a never-ending process. Malayong-malayo na ang Shaira ngayon sa Shaira na nakilala natin noong bata pa siya. Kahit ang daan na tinahak niya ay kakaiba sa inaasahan. Shaira Luna is a maverick who has chosen to go on the road less traveled. Where it takes her is a journey whose destination only she can discover. We wish her the best. Hanggang sa muli, ako po si Sonia Soto.